وَالَّذِينَ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا اصْرِفْ عَنَّا عَذَابَ جَهَنَّمَ. And those who say and pray to their Allah, to their Rabb, رَبَّنَا اصْرِفْ عَنَّا عَذَابَ جَهَنَّمَ. Oh our Lord, avert from us the punishment of Jahannam. إِنَّ عَذَابَهَا كَانَ غَرَامًا. There's no doubt, verily, the punishment of Jahannam is everlasting. It's to continue. إِنَّهَا سَاءَتْ مُسْتَقَرًّا وَمُقَامًا. And we very well know that it's a very bad place, that Jahannam, as a mustaqar as well as a maqam. Now what's the difference? Mustaqar is a place where somebody lives permanently. A permanent abode is mustaqar. And where you are staying temporarily, it is muqam. So Jahannam is so bad a place, not only for permanent abode, also if you enter for a moment, it will reveal all the bitterness in it. You know, because usually we have certain standards and notions. Even the worst place, the desert Sahara of Africa, even if you have to go there for some time, you will feel recreated, a change. A change is a recreation. If you go to the best place on earth, you go to Switzerland, you go to Kashmir, it will appear very fine. But if you have to live there, it will lose all charm. So here in this ruku you will find that about Jahannam it is said, Saat mustaqarram wa muqama. It's very bad as a permanent abode also, and for a temporary stay also. And for Jannat we shall find in the end of this section, Hasunat mustaqarram wa muqama. It's very good, very beautiful. As a permanent abode also, and as a temporary stay also. Even if you live there permanently, you will not get bored, because you know your interest will be kept alive. So that is in contrast, simultaneous contrast. Jahannam, Saat mustaqarram wa muqama, and Jannah, Hasunat mustaqarram wa muqama.